Aquarius, happy new moon, Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, these are the cards that flipped out for you. I am getting a strong feeling of you wanting to start a new creative endeavor, but you don't know if you want to put the funds towards it. If you have the funds, you're not sure if you want to use your funds. I'm getting that you want to start a savings account. That's going to come through for a few of you. That is like a high discipline. You want to be disciplined, I guess is what I'm trying to express here. You want something that's going to discipline you. I'm getting some of you are procrastinators and you have a difficult time with that. But I am seeing that you're taking steps towards improving that, and that in the future, you know, where this can be perceived, the Four of Pentacles, as a miserly sort of card, with these cards in relation to it, it's actually showing me that you're making very responsible financial moves towards your creative future. You know, this bird's looking towards the future here. So I really do see that it's sort of like this problem solving you're doing yourself, Aquarius. And it's a self-realization moment that really works out in your favor, because these are things that are going to help you in the long run. You know, you kind of got a little leg up in the race just by using your wit. And I think whatever decision you're on right now with this new creative endeavor, I think you'll know to start off in baby steps, little by little is what I'm hearing. Little by little, step by step. No need to go full plunge. No full plunge into the deep end. Just get your feet wet a little bit and swim it out. Okay. All right, until next time, over and out.